offers a rich blend of ancient history, vibrant culture, and modern development, making it a fascinating destination for travelers. From the iconic Great Wall and terracotta warriors to the bustling cities of Beijing and Shanghai, China provides a unique experience for history buffs, urban explorers, and nature lovers alike. China is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking unforgettable experiences. Beijing. Beijing, the capital of China and a city steeped in history and culture, offers a captivating blend of ancient and modern attractions. Explore the Forbidden City, the former Imperial Palace, and Tiananmen Square, a historic public square. Visit the Great Wall of China, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at its grandeur and breathtaking views. Wander through the bustling hutongs, traditional Chinese alleyways, and experience the city's vibrant local culture. Immerse yourself in the rich history of Beijing by visiting the Temple of Heaven, the Summer Palace, and the Beijing National Museum. Indulge in the delicious Chinese cuisine from Peking duck to dumplings and noodles. With its rich history, cultural heritage, and stunning architecture, Beijing is a must-visit destination for any traveler exploring China. Shanghai. Shanghai, a vibrant metropolis blending ancient and modern, offers a captivating experience for travelers. The Bund, a historic waterfront promenade, is a must-see attraction, showcasing stunning colonial-era buildings and towering skyscrapers. Stroll along the waterfront, admire the Oriental Pearl Tower, World Financial Center, and Jinmao Tower, and take a night cruise for a unique perspective. Explore the Bund sightseeing tunnel for exciting entertainment and dining. Located in the city's heart, the Bund is easily accessible by foot. Visit during the early spring or early summer to enjoy pleasant weather and a cool riverside breeze. Beyond the Bund, Shanghai offers a wealth of other attractions to explore. Wander through the bustling markets, such as the Yuyuan Garden Market and the Silk Street Market, and immerse yourself in the vibrant local culture. Visit the Shanghai Museum, home to an impressive collection of Chinese art and artifacts. Explore the beautiful gardens of the Yu Garden, a traditional Chinese garden with pavilions, ponds, and rock formations. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a breathtaking natural wonder in China renowned for its towering sandstone pillars, lush forests, and stunning waterfalls. Explore the Tianzi Mountain Scenic Area, where you can hike through ancient forests, marvel at the towering pillars, and enjoy panoramic views. Take a cable car ride to the summit of Tianmen Mountain for breathtaking vistas and visit the Tianmen Cave, a natural arch formed by erosion. Hike through the Yellowstone Village, a picturesque village nestled among the mountains, and discover the local culture and traditions. Enjoy a boat ride on the Suoxiu River, surrounded by towering cliffs and lush vegetation. Visit the Beilong Elevator, the tallest outdoor elevator in the world, for a thrilling ascent to the top of the park. For those seeking adventure, Zhangji offers a variety of activities such as hiking, rock climbing, and rafting. Explore the Zhangji Grand Canyon, a scenic gorge with towering cliffs and crystal-clear streams. Visit the Tianmen Mountain National Forest Park, where you can hike through ancient forests, visit a Buddhist temple, and enjoy stunning views of the surrounding mountains. Guilin. Guilin, a picturesque city nestled in southern China, is renowned for its stunning karst landscapes, emerald green rivers, and vibrant culture. Explore the iconic Elephant Trunk Hill, a towering limestone peak resembling an elephant drinking from the Li River. Take a leisurely cruise along the Li River, admiring the breathtaking scenery of towering mountains, lush forests, and traditional fishing villages. Visit the Reed Flute Cave, a limestone cave adorned with stalactites, stalagmites, and colorful formations. Explore the ancient city of Yangshuo, known for its charming old town, bustling markets, and beautiful countryside. Hike through the 10-Mile Gallery, a scenic area with towering limestone peaks and emerald green rice paddies. Visit the Yangzingping ancient town, a well-preserved traditional Chinese village with cobblestone streets and ancient architecture. Indulge in the delicious local cuisine with dishes like Guilin rice noodles, snail noodles, and roasted duck. Experience the vibrant nightlife in the city center with bars, clubs, and street performers. Chengdu. Chengdu, the capital of Sichuan province, is a vibrant city known for its delicious cuisine, rich culture, and stunning natural scenery. Explore the giant panda breeding and research base, where you can see adorable pandas up close. Visit the Jinli Ancient Street, a charming pedestrian street filled with shops, restaurants, and traditional architecture. Wander through the People's Park, a popular green space with beautiful gardens, lakes, and pavilions. Indulge in the spicy and flavorful Sichuan cuisine with dishes like hot pot, mapo tofu, and kung pao chicken. Experience the vibrant nightlife in the city center with bars, clubs, and street performers. For those seeking adventure, Chengdu offers opportunities for hiking, biking, and exploring the surrounding countryside. Visit the Dujiangyan Irrigation System, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its ancient engineering marvels. Explore the Qingcheng Mountain, a sacred Taoist mountain with beautiful temples and stunning scenery. Suzhou. Suzhou, a picturesque city nestled in southern China, is renowned for its beautiful gardens, canals, and rich cultural heritage. Explore the Humble Administrator's Garden, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most famous gardens in China with its pavilions, ponds, and rock formations. Visit the Lion Grove Garden, another UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its intricate rock formations and tranquil atmosphere. Wander through the Pingjiang Road, a charming pedestrian street lined with traditional buildings, shops, and restaurants. Take a boat ride on the Grand Canal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the longest canals in the world. Visit the Hanshan Temple, a famous Buddhist temple known for its beautiful architecture and peaceful atmosphere. Explore the Tiger Hill, a scenic hill overlooking the city, with its famous Leaning Pagoda and beautiful gardens. Indulge in the delicious local cuisine, with dishes like Sushu-style dumplings, beef noodle soup, and crab roe soup. Experience the vibrant nightlife in the city center with bars, clubs, and street performers. Tibet. Tibet, a region of China renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and spiritual significance, offers a truly unique travel experience. Explore the Potala Palace, the former winter palace of the Dalai Lama, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at its intricate architecture and stunning views. Visit Jokhang Temple, the most sacred Buddhist temple in Tibet, and experience the vibrant atmosphere of the Barkhor Street, a pilgrimage circuit surrounding the temple. Trek through the Himalayas, surrounded by towering peaks, crystal clear lakes, and ancient monasteries. Visit the Namtso Lake, one of the highest lakes in the world, and admire its turquoise waters and snow-capped mountains. Explore the sacred sites of Mount Kailash and Lake Manasaravar, believed to be holy places for Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, and Bonpos. Immerse yourself in Tibetan culture by attending traditional ceremonies such as the Tibetan New Year and the Losar Festival. Learn about Tibetan Buddhism and visit the Drepung Monastery, one of the largest monasteries in the world. Enjoy the delicious Tibetan cuisine with dishes like momos dumplings, thukpa noodle soup, and yak meat.